In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable GoHighLevel menu item tutorial. We're going to hide a menu item in GoHighLevel using your agency's white label settings. This approach is quick, reversible, and great for cleaning up the interface for your users. Keep in mind, this hides items visually with CSS. It doesn't change user permissions. If someone has a direct link and permission, they could still access that page. So use this for presentation, not security. Start in any sub-account. At the top left, click your dashboard name to open the View switcher. From there, switch to Agency View. Agency View is where you manage account-wide branding and platform settings, which is exactly where we'll place our CSS, so it applies across sub-accounts. Once you're in Agency View, open Settings from the left sidebar. In Settings, select Company. The Company area holds your branding and white label options. Next, open the White Label tab. This is where you can customize the look and feel of the app, including injecting your own CSS. Scroll down until you find the Custom CSS field. This is the box where we'll paste the code that hides the menu item. If you don't see it, double-check that you're in the White Label tab and that your plan includes white label features. Now paste your CSS. You'll need a selector that targets the specific menu item you want to hide. A simple pattern is to use the link's path. For example, you could use something like a ref a, your path here. Display. None? Important. Replace your path here with part of the URL that the menu item points to. If you're unsure of the selector, open your browser's inspector on the sidebar item. Look for a unique attribute, like href or a data attribute, and target that. The important flag helps ensure your rule wins over built-in styles. If you plan to hide multiple items, you can add more lines, each with its own selector. When your CSS is in place, click Save Changes. This publishes your white label CSS to your app. Give it a moment, then refresh your sub-account. You should see the targeted menu item disappear from the sidebar. If it's still visible, try a hard refresh or an incognito window to bypass caching. If you need to roll back, just return to the same custom CSS field, remove or adjust your rule, and save again. That's it. You've hidden a GoHighLevel menu item with a lightweight, reversible change. For true access control, pair this with user permissions. But for a cleaner UI, this CSS method is fast and effective.